TikTokers na predict na mamamatay si Liam Payne? Pinost niya to 6 days bago namatay si Liam.
My newest One Direction theory is that one day we will have a reunion and it's going to be 4 out of 5, except instead of Zayn being gone, it's going to be Liam being gone. So we're going to have a 4 for 4. My only confirmation on this is that it's 4:44 right now.
Doon sa video na iyon, na-predict niya na magkakaroon ng One Direction reunion pero 4 sila. At ang hindi kasama ay si Liam, pero si Zayn kasama. Which is odd to say kasi 'di ba si Zayn yung umalis sa grupo? So bakit kaya nasabi niya si Liam ang hindi kasama? And guys, ito pa. And isa pa tong TikTok na to, they analyze your astrological birth chart. So pinost niya to nung, August 28. Why it's possible for One Direction to reunite. Ito yung mga charts nila at magre-reunite daw sila. Pero tingnan mo to. May nagtanong, is this happening right now after this year? They will never be aligned again?